seems distant. Thunder soft, electric piano fading. The storm is rolling in. It's time to shed my skin. Let cleansing now begin. I watch the storm approach across the darkening ocean wide. The waves are getting bigger, but I'm not running to hide. I stand here on the shoreline, letting wind blow through my hair. The storm is bringing something that I've needed in the air. The thunder starts to call, it's washing over all. I'm ready for the fall. Coastal storm cleansing, washing me brand new. The ocean's wild power shows me what I need to do. Let go of what I'm holding, surrender to the rain. Here beside the water, the storm will ease my pain. The rain begins to pour down like a baptism from the sky. The ocean roars with fury, but it doesn't make me cry. Instead I spread my arms and let the storm wash over me. The wildness of the water sets my guarded spirit free. The lightning splits the dark, it leaves a brilliant mark. It reignites my spark. Coastal storm cleansing, washing me brand new. The ocean's wild power shows me what I need to do. Let go of what I'm holding, surrender to the rain. Here beside the water, the storm will ease my pain. Storms aren't here to break, they come for healing's sake, to give more than they take. Final powerful, powerful, no intervention. Focal, strong, ethereal. Coastal storm cleansing, I'm stronger than before. The ocean's wild power, show me what I was fighting for. Let go of what was weighing, embrace the wind and rain. Here beside the water, I've been reborn again. Storm sounds fading, the storm is rolling in. It's time to shed my skin. Calm harbor waves, jazz piano chords, bass walks gentle, the anchor holds me down. In this safe harbor town, where peace can still be found. I sail through stormy waters, trying hard to find my way. The ocean tossed me wildly like a ship that couldn't stay. But now I've found this harbor where the water's calm and clear. The anchor keeps me steady, it's the safest place right here. The harbor holds me tight, through every day and night. I'm finally feeling right. Anchor in the harbor, keeping me secure. The ocean can be wild, but this is where I found my cure. I don't need to keep on drifting, I can choose to stay here beside the water. The harbor shows the way. The boats are gently bobbing in their places side by side. The harbor gives them shelter from the chaos of the tide. Just like them, I'm learning that it's okay to stay still. The ocean taught me sometimes rest is climbing up the hill. The anchor knows my name, it holds me just the same through sunshine and through rain. Anchor in the harbor, keeping me secure. The ocean can be wild, but this is where I found my cure. I don't need to keep on drifting, I can choose to stay here beside the water. The harbor shows the way. It's an anchor's strong embrace when you finally find your space. Final curves or lanes, pyre into cure. Anchor in the harbor, I'm exactly where I need. The ocean brought me safely here and gave me room to breathe. I don't need to keep on searching, I've arrived today. Here beside the water, the harbor lets me stay. The anchor holds me down in this safe harbor town. To calm waves and piano.